y'all doing?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Listen, I know I've been gone for a long time. A lot has happened, but I'm back now. This video, I had to end up doing a voiceover for it because the audio of the video was messed up. So that's why I'm like speaking, but my words is not matching the sound. I don't even know where to start. So much has happened. 1 week I was sick. First of all, I had videos pre-recorded, like 5. Mind you, they were edited too, and they all got deleted. So that happened. Another week, I ended up sick. I had food poisoning. I'm okay. Then my son was sick for like 2 days. He's okay. Oh, not even 2 days, like a day and a half. He's okay. He was okay. So much has happened. Like, so much. Then last week I was gonna do videos, but my son in New York, they had like the whole week off. It's like a midwinter break. New York, we having too many days. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, I'm back now. I know y'all missed me, and if you don't, it's okay. I miss you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Outre's Mora, and then number 2. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be reviewing for you guys. Right now I'm showing you guys that this wig has a band, 2 straps, 2 clips in the front and 1 clip in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. That's what I'm showing you guys right now. Pretty much. I like this wig. It fits pretty well. It's definitely big head friendly, but you want to make sure if you don't need the band, but if you use the band, make sure you put the band on first before you put the wig on. Right now I'm showing you guys that I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder to get that part together. I'm gonna cut it with because I don't like how that looks. I'm gonna show you guys. I did it before in another video, but I'm gonna show y'all again. Take my tiny scissors. Now, in the opening of the space, I'm gonna cut a tiny inverted V. So you turn it to yourself because you want it to be inverted. So turn it to yourself. So the open space is to you. The part is basically, the start of the part is basically facing you. And I'm going to cut the inverted V. A tiny one. When I say tiny, I mean tiny. You don't have to, but I kind of want to. See my V? It's tiny, like in the beginning. Right. And again, you can weigh this middle part, side part. Middle part, right side part, left side part. It's up to you. I felt like my wig was doing the Ray J challenge because I kept turning it around. I was just trying to figure out how it looked, if I wanted it to be in the middle or on the right side. But my wig was definitely doing the Ray J challenge in this video. This wig was super affordable. When I got it, it was like on sale for like 20 or close to 20. And I got it. And I got this from Sam's Beauty, if anybody was wondering. It was like $20. You can't go wrong with that. But when I got it, it was $20. So like there's no tracks showing or missing. Or when you're washing this, you want to use lukewarm water and a gentle sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. I mean, that's not hard to find. I feel like we all use, most of us naturally use sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners, so that's not hard to find. I would show you, but I can't really turn around for you. So bring it all to the front. But yeah, tell me what y'all think. Leave it down below. Oh, go to the front. So this is pretty simple. Just, you don't even have to cut a V. I didn't even cut a big V. Like I normally, not big, but the normal size V I would cut. I didn't even do that. I just cut a tiny V, put some powder in the corner space, heat it up a little bit, the top to flatten it out. And that's pretty much it. You just go. You don't even have to do it, really. You can just put it on. Go out the door. So that's the end of that. And look at me playing in this. That's the end of that. Thank y'all for watching. You are enough. You're beautiful. And give yourself some grace today if you didn't. You're perfect the way you are. And remember to love more and judge less. Bye.